President Donald Trump's tariff tantrum is on the front pages as are likely to impose 25% tariffs on automobile, semiconductor, and pharmaceutical imports. The move, set to begin 2nd April, could disrupt global trade and trigger retaliatory tariffs. Amidst this escalating tariff backdrop, the S&P 500 was seen treading water. The drift came despite the S&P 500 scaling an all-time closing high at 6,129.58 points. Fed minutes are mostly seen reinforcing cautious approach to rate cuts this year. As of recording, the odds for no rate cut at the next FOMC meeting on 19th March are at 96.5%. For the 7th May Federal Reserve meeting, it's 85.6% for no cut. Even 18th June meeting favors no cut at 56.3%. You have to go all the way out to 30th July for the odds to finally shift in favor of a cut. Long story short, Nifty bulls are likely to ignore oversold technical conditions. Another uninspiring session on cards for Nifty bulls. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1881 crores while DIIs too net bought shares to the tune of Rs 1958 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FNO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.42 levels. At last check, USD INR was in demand, now at 87. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.81 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.82. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely but the bias is likely to be negative. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 22945. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,725 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 23,250 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22750 and 23150. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 49087. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,900 and 49900. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The big question as we head towards Thursday's trading, will Nifty and its stocks will ever be able to move out of the Dramamine? Our call of the day suggests volatility and choppiness shall continue to be the new normal at Dalal Street. The negative takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty IT index, minus 1.30%, received fresh drubbing, TCS, minus 2.30%, Infosys, minus 2.22%, other IT stocks like LTI Mindtree, minus 3.50%, plunged amidst uncertainty over Trump tariffs. Technically, with intraday perspective, some confirmation of strength only if Nifty closes above its psychological 23,000 mark. Now with intermonth perspective, confirmation of strength only above Nifty's biggest hurdles at 24,060 mark, which is also the benchmark's 200 DMA.